नमस्ते बच्चों, एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है हमारे इस YouTube चैनल पे। और आज हम आपके बीच फिर से रीडिंग एक्सरसाइज लेके आए हैं। इस वीडियो क्लास में हम आपको इन शब्दों का उच्चारण करना सिखाएंगे, तो आप धैर्य से बने रहें। प्लेसेस इन द नाइबरहुड। देयर आर मेनी इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेसेस इन आवर नाइबरहुड. We visit these places for different purposes. Let us learn about a few of them. Market. We buy things from the market. Many shops together from a market. These shops sell all articles of daily use. We go to market to buy fresh vegetables every day. We purchase fresh milk from a milk dairy. The confectioner sells sweets, milk, curd, cream, and butter. The baker sells biscuits and bread. We buy toys, ice cream, shoes, and clothes from the market. Post office. Some of our relatives and friends live in other towns. We send and receive letters from them through the post office. First, we buy postcard, inland letter, or special envelope from the post office. We use these to write and send messages by post. We put letters into a letter box. This is painted red. The postman takes them to the post office. The letters are stamped and sorted out city-wise. They are sent to post offices of their addresses. Then the postman delivers the letters to each addresses. We can send things by a parcel and money by money order. We can send urgent messages through telegrams. We can also deposit money in the post office. The post office also acts like a bank. We go to hospital or clinic when we are ill. The doctors check us and give medicines. Nurses look after the indoor patients. Police station. There are policemen to help us to a police station. They patrol on the roads and catch the thieves. They guard and save us from thieves and robbers. Some policemen keep trained dogs to search thieves. The traffic police controls the traffic. Fire station. Sometimes a house, building, or factory catches fire. We call fire brigade from the fire station. Firemen come in a red-colored fire engine. Bells of the fire engine ring loudly to warn people to give away. They use ladders and long water pipes to save people and put out fires. They wear helmets to keep their heads safe. तो आज का ये रीडिंग क्लास यहाँ पे दी एंड होता है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप अगर इस वीडियो क्लास को वॉच करते हुए यहाँ तक आए होंगे तो आपको ये क्लास जरूर अच्छा लगा होगा। क्लास अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलेंगे। मिलते हैं हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में।